Hey everybody, I guess you wonder where I've been. See, that's a play on the fact that I haven't shot a video in over a month because I was busy during the Christmas season. Anyway, I'm going to dedicate this video to my friend Carrie, and what we're going to do is make a vegan breakfast buffet of caramel apple waffles, which I can make now because my mother was nice enough to give me a new waffle iron for Christmas. A waffle iron with removable plates. Why are those so hard to find anyway? Anyway, I'm also going to make vegan breakfast calzones made primarily of bacon. Well, the inside is primarily a bacon. And you know, it wasn't until a few years ago that I realized that Bobby Caldwell is white. What? Who's Bobby Caldwell? Oh, he made that song, What You Won't Do for Love. See, I sang part of that before. And see, I said, I guess you wonder where I've been, you know. That's why, what? You already knew who he was, but nobody cared where you've been. Well, that's rude. Anyway, let's get cooking. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom through the next part because, what? Like a Zoom call? No, this isn't a Zoom call. Well, I guess it could be a Zoom call. I could make this on a Zoom call, but anyway, I'm gonna go through the rest of this pretty quickly because the waffle batter is a lot like my pancake batter, but there are different amounts of each ingredient, so you want to pay very close attention to the recipe down there. Now, wait. Where are the apples? The apples are right. Ooh, almost forgot the apples. Here they are right here. And, oh, speaking of that, you notice that I did chop up the apples, but chop them up a little bit smaller than you would for the pancakes, but don't dice them. You still want to taste the apple in there because if the apples were chopped up a little bit larger, the waffle might not come out quite well. And one other thing you want to know is that the amount of time that it takes to cook each waffle depends on the setting, and basically it depends on your waffle iron manufacturer specification. That sounded really intelligent, didn't it? It is sound intelligent, shut up. Anyway, it'll take about... How long am I gonna mix this? Anyway, it'll take about 5 to 8 minutes to cook each waffle, and you will have something delicious in the end. What? You have a waffle? Really? Now that is what I'm talking about. But they are caramel apple waffles, so we need our salted caramel sauce. Okay, now that's what I'm talking about. And if I have to explain to anyone that waffles are a knife and fork dish, then I don't know. No, seriously, I don't know. I am so glad that my mother got me a new waffle iron for Christmas because I miss making waffles. I made them in about at least 2 years. I don't think I've even eaten them in about 2 years. And you know what? This is delicious, and I think Carrie will enjoy this too. Now it's time to make some calzones. And this is bacon, of course, so you probably remember a lot of that from that bacon cheeseburger calzone video. So let me zoom through that as well. Dough, olive oil, salt. Oh, and if you notice by now, you should remember by now that we're only putting everything on 1/2 of the dough because, you know, we have to fold it over. Anyway, sauce, cheese, and I'm using all cheddar because it's breakfast. You can still use mozz on the bottom if you want. Scramble, and a little more cheese. And as you will remember, after doing all the usual clothing, crimping, dusting with vague wash, and scoring, we're going to throw this, there's one more, but I only have 2 hands. So I'll throw all these into our handy dandy 350-degree oven, and 20 minutes later, you will have something that looks like this. See, there's only one here because this is that third one I was talking about earlier. I forget it. You know, I always make my calzones too big, don't I? Might have to rip off a piece here then. Come back. Ooh, look at that cheesy goodness in there. Almost ate it without dipping into the sauce. Yeah, y'all should be used to that by now. Anyway, this is really delicious. I don't know why I waited so long to make another calzone, but you know, I kind of forgot how delicious calzones are. I mean, you can split them into 6 calzones if you want. I usually don't think about that until after I already make them. But like I said, this is delicious, and I think Carrie will like this too. That is going to do it. And you know, of course, where to find the recipes. Come back. Thank you for being with me. I will see you again soon. And if you don't mind, I'm going to dive into this delicious caramel apple waffle calzone sandwich. What? That's overkill. No, it's not overkill. See, if you put anything between a waffle, it's a suitable waffle sandwich, right? No? Well, I'll think of something else. I'll get that in a minute. See you later. Whoa, I got it. See, I could stack the waffles up and it can be a side dish, see? Because, see, you go to restaurants nowadays and a stack of pancakes are actually a side dish. So a stack of waffles could be the side and a calzone can be a... Still no, huh? Well, you know what, I might as well take this now. I still say... Thank you for being with me. I'll see you again soon. Shout out to my friend Olivia for the apron. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.